alone, but for all the people. He decides to consult with his bayars and the elders of the city.
И шли к нему послы в палаты, от мусульман муфти, от иудеи раввин, от папы римского прилаты. Чья вера ваша? Ведь Бог везде един.
He summoned the boyars and informed them about the proposal made by the Muslims, the Jews, and the Greeks, not hiding from them that he had been most affected by the Greek.
The Greeks talk of a marvelous other world, and if someone accepts their belief, he will live forever, while whoever does not will burn for eternity. My mind was troubled by such speeches. Give me peace of mind. Advise.
Sir, nobody will blaspheme his own belief. If you want to know the truth, send wise men into different countries and explore which better serves God.
The chosen ones were sent to the Muslims, the Jews, and the Greeks. Upon their return,